In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your tax return and start over in Google Chrome before paying. If you need to erase the information you've already entered and reset your return back to the beginning, this process is very straightforward. Just make sure you're using the online version in Google Chrome and that your return is still in the free or deluxe stage before you've completed payment. That part is important because the option to clear everything and start over is only available before you pay. To begin, open Google Chrome and sign in to your tax return account. Once you're logged in, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options appear correctly. It's always a good idea to double check that you're in the correct return before making changes, since this action will remove all the information you've entered. Next, look over to the left-hand menu bar and click Tax Tools. This section includes additional options related to managing your return. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll slightly or expand the menu to see everything clearly. Once you click Tax Tools, a list of extra options should appear. From there, select Clear and Start Over. This is the tool that resets your return and removes all entered data, taking you back to the beginning so you can re-enter your information from scratch. Before you continue, remember that this action is intended to wipe out the return completely, so if there's anything you want to reference later, make sure you've already saved or reviewed it. After selecting that option, you'll be asked to confirm your choice. Click Yes to confirm that you want to wipe all entered data and reset the return. Once you do that, the system will clear the information and return you to the starting point. At that stage, your return is essentially reset and you can begin again with a clean slate. This can be helpful if you entered incorrect information, chose the wrong filing path, or simply want to restart the process from the beginning. And that's all there is to it. As long as you're using Google Chrome, signed into the correct return, and still in the free or deluxe version, before paying, you can use Tax Tools and the Clear and Start Over option to reset everything quickly.